Hey guys, welcome to WeBe Autos. I'm standing here with the owner of a really incredible car today. It's a 1967 Camaro Convertible. A lot of work has been done to this car to make it look the way it looks today. Hey Don, can you tell us a little bit about it?
Well, yeah, it's a 4-speed car. It has a 454 cubic inch Chevrolet big block.
Wow.
The compression is 10.5 to 1.
Okay.
It has a mild hydraulic cam. It's a nice, good driving car. It's not radical or extremely noisy. It has an MSD ignition system. It has power steering. It has power brakes. It also has a positive traction 373 rear end. The whole car has been a frame-off restoration. It was on a rotisserie and everything has been done underneath. The 4-speed transmission is a new.
Yeah, the interior is just as nice as the outside as well. Man, it's just beautiful. Can you fire it up?
Sure.
Well, thanks for checking us out today. My name is Michael from WeBe Autos. You can give us a buzz at 516-729-2003. Thanks a lot and have a great day.